Okay, good day everyone. No? Today we're going to have this topic, no, finding elapsed time. So how to find elapsed time? So there are ways, no, on how to find elapsed time, no, yung sobra or yung pagitan or yung different, yung time. Okay, so elapsed time, no, the amount of time that passes from the start of an event to its finish. So yung from the start to finish. So how much the time had passed or how much the time have been used, no, in an event, no. To help us tell time, a clock or a watch is used, no. So mostly, we have the digital clock and the analog clock. Now a clock has two major parts: the hour hand, or which is the short hand, and the minute hand, which is the long one. Analog watches also have them, while digital watches directly show the digits of the time. Okay, so yung sa ating mga cellphones, those are digital, no, mostly. No, we use a digital time. Okay, we use digital clock instead of analog. No, still there are analog clocks. No, there are still analog clock. No, hanging, hanging sa mga balay or hanging outside. But nowadays, no, we prefer to have digital clock. No, so in most digital clocks, there are usually three sets of digits. The first set counts the hours, and the second set counts the minutes, and the third one counts the seconds. Okay, so let us consider this scenario. Okay, so let's consider another scenario. Okay, every morning Jason jogs around the park. Today, he used a stopwatch to record his jogging time. Okay, his record shows the following. So you see the table, no? That's the record of Jason. No, how much time elapsed between his first and second laps? So yung first and second laps niya, ano, how much time elapsed, no? So we have to subtract. Okay, so subtract ang sa first lap niya 12, no? So 12 minutes and 15 seconds and 25 minutes and 40 seconds now on the second. Okay? How about the second and third lap? So second and first lap. So if we subtract that one, no? So look at this one, no? So uunahin natin yung second lap, no? Kasi because the second lap is higher. Okay, then elapsed time is 13 minutes and 25 seconds. How come, no? Okay, this means that there are 13 minutes and 25 seconds elapsed time between Jason's first and second lap. So it means, no, for example, no, yung 0 minus 5, so you could not subtract that one, no, and then the 0 will borrow to 4. Okay, no, will borrow to 4 kasi seconds yan, no, and then 5. No, subtract natin yan, then 3 minus 1, no, yun. Okay, so work example number 1, no. So we have our example number 1, no. Okay, example, no, how much time has elapsed from 7:35:10 a.m. to 8:10:40 a.m. Solution, no. Step 1, you have to align the time readings in our as and second format, no. So first, kung kinsa tong dakog time, okay, kasi finding the elapsed time, so yung 8, no, yung it means that's the end. Okay, step 2, subtract to get the elapsed time between the two, no. Borrow 1 hour or 60 minutes because 35 minutes cannot be subtracted from 10 minutes. So it means, no, yung 40 minus 10, pwede na yun, no? Yung lalabas 30. But yung 10 minus 35, you could not subtract that one. So now the 10 here we're going to borrow 7. Mag-borrow siya dito kang 8 o 1 hour, no? 60 minutes. 60 minutes, no? So plus 60, kining 10 plus 60, so 70 na siya. So 70 minus 35 equals 35. And then 7 naman lang na siya, 7 minus 7, that is 0. So the elapsed time is 35 minutes and 30 seconds. So we could also use tawag na to ani we could also use um, timeline, no? O niya, ato ra tong iko anong timeline, no? Saan pagkuha using the timeline, no? Example number 2, find how much time has find how much time has passed between 8:36:27 p.m. and 9:19:03 p.m. Solution, step 1, align the given time readings in the proper format. So the first you have to write is the end, no? The end of the event. No mo na siya ang 9:19, no? If we subtract, okay? So borrow 1 minute or 60 seconds because 27 cannot be subtracted from 3 seconds. So, seconds man siya diri okay, so this is the second. Okay, so this one will borrow 1 minute or 60 seconds, no? So, 60 plus 3 kasi na may 3 63. So, 63 minus 27 equals 36. Also, borrow 1 hour or 60 minutes because 36 cannot be subtracted from 18 minutes. So, si 18 because 19 man na siya pero about kining si 3 no dito nagborrow man so mo borrow na lang pud siya og 60 no 60 minutes and then plus 60 si 18 plus 60 equals 78 no 78 minus 36 equals 42 thus 42 minutes and 36 seconds have elapsed no yung pagitan no yung pagitan this event no nung 8:36 no it started from 8:36 and 9 and ended in 9:19 so yan yung yan na yung tawag natin dito pagitan no nung time. Okay, visualizing elapsed time on a number line. So we may use also elapsed time. We may find elapsed time using itong tinatawag natin na timetable, no? Or a number line, no? So here, no, a number line is an excellent tool when working with elapsed time. Below is a representation of elapsed time on a number line. No? So the first thing that we did, it was finding elapsed time by subtraction. Now we are going to find elapsed time using number lines. Now this is another way of finding elapsed time, no? Using tawag na to using elapsed time using a timeline, no, or a number line. Okay, so here, no, so start time 6:40 a.m. and end time 8 a.m. So here we go, no, so 6 a.m. we started here, but we did not start 6 a.m. because the starting time is 6:40. Okay, 6:40 a.m. to 7 ang ano niya no yung different ng time is 20 minutes. So we have now the 20. And then 7 a.m. to 7:30 that's 30 minutes, no? Yung pagitan. And then 7:30 to 8 so that is 30 minutes. So now we have to add those numbers, no? Those minutes, so 20 minutes plus 30 plus 30. So the answer would be 1 hour and 20 minutes. So ingon ana siya pagkuha sa elapsed time using a number line, no? So that's how to get number time, no, using elapsed time, finding elapsed time using a number line. So I will share to you some examples on how to find elapsed time using a number line. Okay, so let's watch. Okay, and thank you. No, thank you for watching this one and